Good afternoon, country people. Them plenty glad for meet up una number 20 day for inside number 10 moon 2018 PG News debates. Inside Tori for this afternoon, as well as Sabi, we go turn back for some of the strong things the way they happen for inside the week. We go talk this palava mash where Mutumbu people they be make for Yahweh the site for seeker their right. We go talk to on top this palava church way a four on top people them for that side. So for Yahweh the way a number for die people them it is also add someone they talk na 2, other one they talk say 3. So for inside Tori we go talk this palava and Gondere where they be there for Kuwait where 8 of them they don't last come back for country. We no go fit for finish where we no talk to what happen for inside constitutional court. Our council people them sabi say themselves inside the week they be shidon for all 18 complaints the way they be get them for their table after vote for Genyun Kunkuma. So we go talk all that one them this afternoon. Sabi say we get change of them but one person says we go so the wait. If you meet up he go meet up he come on arrive for Boyam. But we get another person already where don't already shidon for we can aside him. Now evangelist as well as on Asabi, me are the ever calling a Bembes. Bembes, I salute you.
Ambassador, I also salute you. And I salute people that they watch you too right now.
All right, and glad to say after some long time we don't find time again for meet up.
Yeah. I tell you don't be like some 3 months now where I don't come, I don't see how all things don't change. Should say it work out for Equinox, you're fine.
Well, now for live all thing for big people them and the people there they look at them say may go for front.
We thank God for them.
Yes. So now we own one person that stranger we already enter house as we talk. The another person he be get for come off for site for Boya Tole in particular. So if he go meet up we then fine. If no be so then we go surely push it for another time where we meet up for this side. So we go enter for the tourists. We'll get on the people them for this afternoon. We go start now with this mash where it be passed for that side. So we they call them say Yahweh them. Now for before National Tori House where Mutumbu people then say they be make mash inside the week. The Mutumbu people them they be make that mash. Now for talk say waiting they talk say a day so since when National Tori House it don't deny their Mutumbu it never give them no 1 franc for the two they call them say right for sure say na them they knock down Mutumbu. Nine way it dey so sabi say minister for palava for culture where they call it say Narcisse Mwele he said if he don't even sign book he send am for big man for National Tori House Charles Ndongo say make he pay these people them small thing for their rights. But sabi say some Mutumbu people them for inside that association for Sonakam they turn for back they write book again for Charles Ndongo say make he no pay that money. Sabi say no be na all them they be sabi say na the thing that I don't go. So now for sika why that way some of the Mutumbu people them mash they make am for before National Tori House this week. And sabi say inside this palava inside the Pungu one time Ogasha Ndongo say when a big man for inside National Tori House we hear say he don't give advance for money around that kind of 380 million where he then advance for the plenty money where they owe for the Mutumbu people they right say he go pay the other one too when money for 2019 budget for National Tori House he enter for inside the aqua. So for now 380 million francs here is a check they don't already sign them give them for the people they say na small advance that say the other money it go come for back. This one now just one of the thing them where it pass for inside this week where we turn back for Tokam. Oga Bembes as I say you yourself you be Mutumbu man but I know sabi if you there for inside the association you will start for talk for them.
Okay, maybe I start with the palava for the association. I start music, gospel music 2004 and I be registered with CMC here for Douala. And after I became changed to Sokam, I go right for Bastos for Yaoundé, where I also registered, changed my story, where you know, with Princess Felicia, I was singer with my wife. I registered in music, but I no feel lie you. Since we register them, we they say they don't give money. The other time they call we say more can Yaoundé. We work I go that time for Sokam. We'll come back as we go. So if I dey see this one way they say the new one way they don't yes on a cam I be see message because it be like say they be take one number they get one numbers and they be text with messages but I no be go me. But sometimes you go even see say some of those people that even fight for the money make the money come out, you go surprise say they go come out they say they no get 50,000, 30,000, 100,000. So sometimes when I check all these things I need to see any need for me for go worry myself for day. So but we thank God we Charles Ndongo, he don't respond. We pray say he respond more better so that the musicians in too they go to get their rights. Because normally if things are be fine for this country, you know, being a Duawe musician, they get for go stand for in front the CRTV before they give their money. Now for sure you say they need to handle musicians very well for this country. They know they respect them, they know they give them their rights. But no problem. I pray say make that money where they don't take it go reach everybody because sometimes they take and so they don't even give everybody. Because you know this thing they come on from level to level. So the same first people that will first take them, they go cut and they give the second just like that. And finally you discover say some people go to come out 25,000, 30,000. One of my friends the other time he go now 15,000 they give it. So how many you pay for transport? How many you pay for transport for go Yawunde? How many you pay for go and come? Then they go, they give you 15 or 30,000. I'll better she done for my store. I'll continue to do my business down for go waste time.
Now, there's more confusion will be inside this thing as we hear them. Big man for culture when I look at honor Mutumupu then Nasismo Kombi Ebi sign book. A send for big man for National Tory House. Charles Ndongo say make he pay the people then for September, but it don't pass. Now some Mutumbu people then themselves the day for instance, some of them they join, they write another letter, send them now for big man for National Today for talk say make no pay. Now a different set of the people then this way they don't come on now for go match.
See, since in the time of CMC, confusion don't they be sorted today. So maybe a new thing. Maybe not some new to the see. So if another group of people don't write, I'm saying that people they no be d'accord, they no be. I'm not surprised say they arrange this thing for come out for go stand for ask that money. Then some group of people no. If na me I be among that group, I go write. It no be right. Damn so if na be go make that noise, they give na the money the immediate day. Damn so na go use the money, we will no know. So that is a reason why you see the other people them they write for say make them know say. If Charles Ndongo they give that money, make them know say another group they come. And no surprise for say I say another group go again go stand for them. So if them to the one get that money, please una call the main people, the main actors, so that they go know how they go share the money we go reach everybody.
Now nobody say one praise Charles Ndongo win a big man, but when you see the way we don't quick.
I the surprise. I the surprise because I be no say plenty time that we don't see many people where they go stand. They may strike, they talk, they will give them promise. So see I'm for Limbe. They give promise, they no fulfill. We don't see for many places, even for seaport here. We don't hear all those things. Oh, the one where president self don't sign say when I give them the money, they still can go with the money, they no give. So if Charles Ndongo react very fast, the thing really surprised me. It shows that a man will get a good heart and a man will get the people the bed. I don't even know the reason why Minister of Culture be already signed, then he don't give the money since. And why he give the half? Now, it means that they don't agree.
No, you sabi say when there be big country in a country company, they ever get budget where they work on top.
Okay.
Yeah, if they ever get budget, I need the talk like that, sabi them, no. But a budget they ever be with company they work on top, and if they see say the film squeeze something come out, normal for inside the budget for the
ambassador the true about music for this country I say music no get no grants again. The worst said they are even better than they play Makosa. Who they play gospel music? Now just grace. Before you know the time they were did my own brother themselves say. They call me say me and my woman so be Nigerian. Just because maybe they will be play our song. You know, we the Southwestern will get our own way of playing our music. You see, we almost play similar something like the Nigerians. But we not be Nigerians, even though I don't stay for day, I don't big for day. That why we move change my story, me and my wife. They also be Nigerians. So me I need to fight all these things. I get the way I think I get my own money. So time they were me, I don't take my car so. I sell for inside motor them for almost 4 years, and that year I never forget I make almost 20-something million.
Okay.
Now he helped me for be the house where I get them for Douala. and I no get na just one place. I don't first build before I go for the place where I dey right now.
All right.
Yeah, so for me, for go the struggle, the fight for 25,000, where they'll give me for the end, I've again waiting.
So I want to try to understand something. This Sunakam, I know be Mutumbu man. He join now with the people that they play Makosa, people that they
no, everybody as long as you are a gospel, as long as you are a musician and a Cameroon musician, you record your, you registered under that. I don't want to even know the name because I don't enter
under the association.
Yes, under the association. I don't enter two of them. CMC, I don't see anything. SOCAM, I don't see anything. So I go enter new one again for do it. Because you go there, you go register your song. You didn't go gain the money. So Ambassador Mo talk some other things. Because when I remember music lover diverts me. I know I just talk music. But if you need be struggle, man, let me and be struggle, carry my CDs them. Meet people, I overcome shame. Okay. I put shame. I say, may they forget about whether you be musician or not. I meet people one to one. People that watch me right now, they know. Plenty of them, the way they don't buy my CDs inside bus. For 4 years, I made almost 20-something million. If I go, she don't say I be with me. They pay, made them give money for CRTV before rights, auto rights, all that. I don't forget even 1 million because not surprising. Some people they spend their whole year the only way for auto rights. For me, that one and laziness.
So now
I need to encourage them.
You want to talk say people there they knock Mutumbu na lazy people?
No, not be lazy people. No misquote me. I talk say make they no encourage laziness. Okay. That means you go sit down, you dey wait only for auto right. Me I know if you go stand so they make that noise. I no fit.
All right.
No fit.
Okay, ESSF na Mutumbu man na edi talk no be na say ambassador it too don't knock Mutumbu so it be the problem for inside. We go left this confusion for Mutumbu people them and so talk 380 million they already sign up for check already say na advance money say the other one it go come when budget for 2019 for National Tori House it can be we see that the owe them are plenty billion them for inside that palava for autos right. We left that chapter we go take un announce home we go for place where they call them say Bojongo na for inside Douala here with them no be na for village picking them where they come off for school they dey hear back you see that picking now if for make big mistake he be get for inside this water and this roads na roadway plenty company they should don for the Bojongo for inside Douala no be na Bojongo for Southwest one way dey for under Limbe no na the village or na the own one the Bojongo for Douala here you no fit waka for 1 2 3 where you no meet up a BB hole with water wey turn up and the roads as well na the see even BB motor they like the one wey dey waka na kinja yes the kind of motor they say where the waka if the waka so say make e no make mistake tombosa if no be so na different thing we go hear am company them for inside the road for Bojongo na different thing now so we hear say turn dey make pass for road also we see boxing e go come put pass on top also e make boxing e go come put pass na road this we will get big company the way they enter for inside the quarter for Bojongo but roads is also spoil in the go motor dem the dance na one side whether na skelewu or na makosa any kind of dance go for before come for back only for them say make they enter you enter from top okada woman wey dey with belle e go lost belle for sika say the roads na big palava I say na big palava na for Douala we dey so country people dem no be na self say na outside Douala na road this pikin necessary dey suffer for pass motor dem dey suffer for pass okada dey only tiptoe before they pass na the road this way we dey so cry and no be na only the one e dey members na other one this for tiwo this year for inside we country Douala Bojongo as I say don't surely go for this side.
No, I don't be Bojongo I don't na Bonaberi.
Okay,
so if you talk about Bojongo ma we dey Bonaberi no Bojongo it means say you know dey Bonaberi. Now one of the quarters away if you want call 1 2 or 3 big quarters for inside Douala you go call them especially Bonaberi. But something though I don't notice about this road lava when it comes when it comes to road lava what I don't notice and I say Bonaberi roads I don't know what if you look at very well majority of the things the one I don't talk for here about roads na Bonaberi and not true because all the other quarters where they dey inside Douala they fine. I don't know why they just abandon Bonaberi. I don't know. I don't really know. Maybe I don't talk past level where I talk. But I don't know why they just abandon Bonaberi. Some people say maybe because na Anglophone zone. Maybe for me, I need to see I'm so bad. Why they go just abandon Bonaberi like that? Since when I talk, when you talk news here, you will see say majority of the bad roads now from Bonaberi they come out. Why? Why na only Bonaberi? So I beg, would beg the government delegate, may they see all these kind of things so that they know the disgrace us. This one a big disgrace for the council of Douala. A very big disgrace, because this Bojongo road, na road maybe na I don't know if you call them, you know, for Nigeria, call them say federal road. That means maybe na the main road, maybe na the express. Na road where they go inside quarter. Okay. Where it means na council get for take care of this road. Maybe na the people. But if you need the worker, I beg the people where they do for that quarter, so na two na fit do something. Instead of una for Shidon, or Shidon, they complain road. If you do something.
But you check say people them for quarter, they fit give them. You sabi say law for we country na law way. No fit left you like.
No, ambassador. No small things and they wanna fit do it. Government no fit stop una. For example, if una get community for quarter, all man commode. Say mo na diko, make that water commode, take gota. It is different. That one government no can stop saying, wow, now one form, hold me water commode. Now they have their responsibility. Instead for we for the complaint all time, more look for a solution. I not talk say it good, it not correct, but instead for the we for the suffer, continue for the suffer, look the road, look how beginning the suffer. And you know say if a small picking of a certain kind of age fall for inside if he die. Because it deep. So wait till the people there for that place that they try for do similar water come out.
So now you want to blame now for
no, we need to put blame for the people then.
Okay.
Number one, they blame the government. Number two, they blame the council. Number three, the government delegate began to see into this. But now if they never come, wait till the people for the quarter that they do. They go shit on, they wait until when the government come. If the government no come, they will continue for the suffer. They may they try to make a community work maybe every Friday, every Thursday, or one time a week or 2 times a month for see how they go form a small gutter. They use their hands, dig them. Me water they come out. Then for she done for me, and I saw me at the see man. I saw I see my own things.
Now, just for talk the other aspects, you don't sabi the place fine and company then too they do for that place.
Yes, you already first off for you say yes. They no fit give right for company. May fix the road because if you fix it,
but the company too, as well, they talk. Then for say me the whole quarter come company fit come out with Caterpillar dig road.
Yes, company fit come out with a Caterpillar dig road. But you know when you don't start bring Caterpillar, you know our country. Immediately they see Caterpillar, it means say you want to oppose their
power.
Their power. So at the talk now for the local ones, we fit just go. They dig some small hole that water come out. You understand? Then why they talk now for the government? But the company they did it to now big shame. Even if una no use Caterpillar, at least the company that is if that motor, you see that motor they go for the if that motor before, now the company don't lost, maybe government lost. Maybe government lost, even though they will say they will pay insurance and whatsoever, but it will be for some time before they see or they see the insurance issue.
So your own advice apart from saying that they wait for government and saying they check
make the check how the fit do for dig go away that water fit come out, because this thing would already show up here almost about 2 weeks now. This Plava Bojongo road, not only this road, other roads and they don't show up. And I want to thank Kinox. Now, true way to own the Shwan for here, it pushed some of us for reason way to the reason. So I say instead for we for be with the complaint, I tell our people then for church, I say no, make we show people way to the feed do. Even if we no go do all, but we go outside, we see way to feed do. For sure people say for remain the complaint, you know go bring the solution. Yeah. But for join hand, we can also help the government. I not be a member of anything for government, but it's our country. We just need to make it work.
As we wanna do and for forever. Yeah. And I know that we wanna be make a cleaning campaign, strive for clean water them.
Yeah, we don't do that cleaning campaign for almost a month. Yeah, we do them every Friday. When I say a month, maybe every day. We do them for every Friday. We go out. We divide the street. So we start the clean from the beginning of Forever right to the entrance of Forever. Yes, and wait with the cleaner because we'll be describing say small dirties and they way people don't just park them for road because they wait Isaka maybe they come. So wait where they decide for doing and say they keep them for corner road. So we cut the score and say too much of flies and rain the fall on top, they think the instead chakara is destroyed. So we come with that idea, wait one at the always show for TV here. We say no, if we find a way out, we'll see how we carry this dirty. We will do them. So we agree. So no only get for go outside go to preach. We still preach for another way. And we buy wheelbarrow, buy spade. We call all of our brothers and sisters for church. Say more, we go inside the field and we start doing. We don't do it for 1 month. People they do for quarter day. They feel really talk. They see what to be do. Or clean up. Some people talk say. Some people when they see what they clean up, they say now which party? Vous êtes dans quel parti? You know in French. You are in which party? C'est le campagne.
they make campaign after vote don't finish. All right, so we go left that palaver. We don't hear what you Bembes. He talk the talk say quarter people they say they fit find way for start for see as well they fit open their guatahu them so that water fit pass them say that they do am for forever. We go talk this palaver for church for that side so for Yawende we take una go for Minkan. Now for inside Yawende side they so church where they settle Abiram the church it never finish. The church says a tumble side so for on top people they ask where they be the prayer for inside the now for the week where we the talk so where this palaver happen. Now for Saint Maximilian Church where they so Bilam as on official for them. They talk say for Sika plenty rainway it fall for that side on the people them. Now for Sika wide that with the church it fall and the church it fall so where people them they be there for inside the church. Church it then now for outside that's why they go for that side for Nsimalen. And Sabi say according to Tori the way Tori people they talk we get someone who, for here who Sabi say na 2 people them where they die for Sika this accident but other people that they talk say na 3 people them 4 people them they get wound for inside this church where it tumble side for that side. So now no person never fit for talk wait till way be really pass where the church it tumble side but Sabi say one thing where they don't talk na plenty rain but now the rain way if you make am before the church tumble side question where person it never fit for answer. Now Oga Bembes when you say turn up you look at it you see as well the church name waiting go come for your heart the first time we see as well the church eternal you check say na the material wey they take build the church or na wetin if you really make am say make church
I think Catholic Church na one of the most biggest churches in the world and one of the biggest churches in Cameroon. So I strongly believe say if they want build a church they need for look for people where they don't learn how to build because not you know the if you tell me say name na the building. Maybe the materials the way they use them, because if they be use the right materials, it never happen. We don't see churches the way they build and way it pass this height, it no fall. So if this one fit fall for this height, not you know they fit terminal accident. But what do I thank God now say many people they no die, and we thank God to say it maybe been a day where maybe yeah it maybe been a Sunday day where people they there for church. You see how God they do his own thing. Now one thing that we take and thank God, but the way people they talk they say. Na materials, na this, na because na Catholic Church. If it be been na any of these new churches, a Pentecostal church, this thing happen for them. Hey, they will say they don't get for Nyongo, na Nyongo Church. Say hey, Glees a formula, na so they for they talk. But now in a Catholic Church, they talk in an accident. But if it be been a Pentecostal, sorry, I know they support them, but I just try to make some difference, maybe clear. If you been a Pentecostal church, even you, ambassador, you for knock and for here, you for talk for I'm not waiting on you talk. You for talk. You for say thing what they hear and I say they say the pastor don't enter, the pastor don't do this. But for the one, no money they even talk say that two people they talk Satan they don't use them. Satan this no because now waiting na Catholic Church. You know you understand what I you know so then about debate.
Wait. So you want to talk say if it will be like your church. We know the under.
No. We like I know it. We
Pentecostal.
No, we are believers.
Okay, man. To say
yes, we are believers.
You try for talking na Pentecostal. We say na the thing. We will know for talking na material.
Yes, they know for talking na material. They will say the pastor connect quelque
So why you check so?
Why I check so because I don't see am plenty time on social media. Anything where the church do a good, they need to talk. But if something happen for that church where bad, hey. Look one young man in own church where they go pray, they carry that mommy for house. Me too, I no go encourage this. If you see some man they sick, they bring them for church. And you look the situation of the person. A true pastor, after you detail the situation, lay hand for the person, then tell the people make they go hospital. No leave them. Yes, the doctor say leave them for here, we go to pray for them. Now so they leave them for one of our own small young man in place. And the person die. Before you want to discover and they don't scatter in church. So for me, I believe it's be wisdom. After some days, they say no, now then they don't use the woman. Now then they don't do this. At the talk na small church, But this one a BB church where it collapse, it kill people. Wonderful. Then they still talk against an accident.
An accident.
An accident. No, but an accident. Normally it's accident.
So
but
why,
the talk now say if it be been any of these other churches like Pentecostal churches, now the same thing we will have for the talk for television.
When you talk to say accident.
I don't know, they not for talk accident.
Then?
No, sorry, you know if you be there, you they just report that way to where you see them. But maybe not in that people that for talk. I know. Because any Pentecostal church like this is a formula. Any Catholic church, Baptist, Presbyterian, no, Solobong English.
No, fine church.
For the bad people, they know they. But you forget for no say, even in that midst also, some wonderful people that they. I know the talks that they support Pentecostal. Me, I know be Pentecostal. Me, I know be Orthodox. I know be Protestant. I'm a believer. I'm a child of God.
Okay. No go over talk.
I know say where you don't come for team for church, you go want make a talk.
Okay. All right, this other one will happen for inside the week. Now this palaver from Gondere them. Sabi say na den sesep they be use them up for blow fire. Say they suffer for Kuwait. On Sunday, Tawo one land for Douala Airport. The other people they be don't go, but we turn meter with what they call and say prudence. As soon as see so now we do with the white. Now one of them Gondere than that where they be make video pass and for social media say they so they suffer for that side so for Kuwait. After where the tonton say they want for bush, it like say the bush na it tonton for them. They go meet us suffer, so they start cry, tonton for outside. Now so to ngom na say ebi talk say he go help them. Say number 10 day for the moon, they go make the turn back last. Number 10 day it pass. Now only last week Sunday, it means say tomorrow Sunday, where they enter. So go make 1 week since we prudence and the other come be them. They come so for this side for inside Cameroon. But the thing will be one that say they be land for airport 2:30. Now only for 7 o'clock when they left them. After we police people then say they hold them, say they ask them questions, so they seize even their pass them where they be get for Israel come out. According to the get them, they say Gomnam, and no pay them no 1 franc. Now so make we go for the guy own family house. Sabi say after we see him as we land for airport. After the suffer, we don't suffer for Kuwait, will be tonton. We land to for a own house for Bepanda sign up for David Prudence. Edi Shidon, it be then one of the 8 Ngondere they be come back for Kuwait. We hear say a non-governmental organization he help them before they come. But Sabi say number 1 day for house, it be then one way be sweetie plenty. For Sika say he feel like say they for inside the own country. Imito it come be them, they talk and if they laugh. Thing will not be ever forget them for that side so for Kuwait. Now so to come with them say they come talk with you, salute you, ask it in them as well the team pass. It be there like say it just come up for some side with all man be get for Sabi. Even Tori people that say they be there for corner for asking plenty kind questions. So Prudence a glad plenty say don't come, but Sabi say na necessary they talk saying Gomnam he no put 1 franc. On top their turn back for inside country and plenty of it be them. There's also day for that side so for Kuwait. We go turn back on top table for him, Oga Benbes. This palaver for 4 bush for Sika say yes some fast line day for some side. Now maybe you go use na wisdom plus normal man sense. Maybe we go talk the palaver too small.
Me I want ask that question say. If it be better for the girl for that side, who will know? Now I wonder why the answer. When you don't bat, now that's how all man did know. But we thank God say you don't come back for a country, you they enjoy a country. That name again, wedding. Prudence. Welcome back. Okay. Thank God say you don't come. But I do want to ask you a question, Prudence. I don't say they see me now. If it be better for day, who for no? No for no. I get some people where they don't to go for they don't go Kuwait. Come back with millions. Nobody see how they hear. One come back to take can't sleep now for my house. With almost about 4 million we come 3 point something. Almost 4 million we come back with that after 2 years. So maybe more not just they do this thing, it just be like say people they go that side, that place just bad. Nah lie. I get my neighbor as I talk right now where he picking the Kuwait. Yes, and the girl don't be there for years. The girl they live in normal life. The girl don't go there, don't struggle, it succeed, and the family there, it live fine. So I'm not just one more just see like say all the people that they go that side, no man they go succeed. The one way they succeed, they no go tell you. Now the one the way they fail, now they go always tell you. And majority of them now laziness.
Now
because speaking go be for your house for a year, you never work. No need time, you know the wake up work. Now mommy they cook for you. Now you know Douala people. I know they talk say again at Douala, but I just say you know the Douala life, Sawa life. When I talk of Sawa, when they talk about the Oroko people, the Douala people, the Bakosi people, all. You understand what I mean? You know, majority of them don't like for work. So maybe you don't grow up in that life where they no like for work. Then you don't go for place now where you see work. Because for COVID you must work, and when you work, you make the money. I get one sister for our church, Believers Outreach Ministry, where as I talk for you right now. Even just finished Bible school. If you go Kuwait, work almost about 4 to 5 million. Send them for your husband. Now say I don't want to go far for the story. The sister there, I need to prepare for go back. That sister don't ever can talk. I be better for you for TV. So I beg you, my small sister, if you want to come back for your country, come back. May not just be like say that side. Say people still do they still go. Even when I still talk this thing, people do they still go. So I beg, welcome back here. She don't hear, but find something for do. This thing don't make I don't be star. You are a star now.
No, but we need to talk that palava is they like say the roads, the road where they take them. Now the road be the problem.
No, okay, which road? Okay,
the way where they take and enter Kuwait.
Okay, yes, if it be not there with the problem there, because if you not get the right people, then you go fall for the wrong hands. For example, people that do it, they go make you all your documents. They take you, send them for day. Another person they when I go take you, give them for the house where you get for the work. Okay, that means say you don't pass for almost 4 hands. And anything where you do work, the money they come back. These 4 hands, they must how they talk about pigeon. They must touch most thing from that your money. But are they talk about percentage. Yeah, they get some percentage. But if you want to go someplace, make some requirements. Find out for know how you go so that maybe you just get direct contact with the person where you go work with you. If it be possible, because like that my small girl they talk say he come back stay now for my house before he don't go back here. You know they be here for 1 month, 2 weeks, almost 2 months. He don't go back because he get a direct contact. Some of these COVID people are good. More not just think let's say the people that are demons. They are not demons. It depends on the hands where you fall, and it depends on the place where you find yourself. You understand? Nobody say all them the wicked. All them the no wicked. So that is it.
So, yes, you if they like say you fight for
no, not be fight. Ambassador.
You try for paint the image for Kuwait.
Find no, I'm not the one try for.
We do not despoil the image, but we want just try for make people then to for make them understand.
No, make them to the no make them.
You sabi say some people they also don't talk. You get people the way they hear say
ambassador
hotline day
ambassador
they enter for this. So one they
yes, may they no follow wrong. May they no follow wrong line. You understand? Do your best for look for a right line. I know they talk say COVID people they be 100% good, but you will agree with me say some people they did the way they're good. So, you understand? Some it depends on the hands where you fall. But I know they encourage small girl for just wake up. You never fight, you don't get money. Person call you say he go make you passport. You agree. If you say he go send you for there, you go to work. You agree. What you expect? You must work for the money.
Any kind of work.
Any kind of work. You don't know. I don't hear say Sunday they even go there, they go into prostitution. Yes. Some they go there, they go into prostitution. Some they go there, they're not fit for work. So they start do different things.
Now for them the problem, they when they go where they're not fit for work, they put them for one side.
Yes, now I want to talk say
the kind of way they
we thank this small girl because it take the courage for even talk. It be good. Some then they go there so they look and say work no they wait till this, they look for the next thing we go give them money, they go into it. But maybe because of the life where the small girl they live, a nice life, in one for destroy life, they decide for come back. Because maybe now they become, even some of my sisters and from my mommy's side, like I hear they call what's the other day when I read them for here, the show saying our rock or picking all then they become back. So when I will come back here,
you be
I'm not surprised that same picking them tomorrow they will go to find another line again.
You be look regards social for Thursday.
Thursday no. No, I be.
You be get for here which way one of the get and so you don't fall bush we come out to buy it talk say it be the one. We in no be servicing na the kind of guy be get for good.
Now the thing that why they talk say ambassador. Me I know they deny say I know they deny say that kind thing they know they. Wait till I dey try for talk now say how you do go, it matter. How you go, it matter. How you pass before you want reach there. Wait to be a connection, it matters. Like me as I dey here, I know best way. If I want me some man go Dubai, I fit call the person now. Directly, the person connects you there. But you, some people they do it. They go see another man. Then man go see another one. Then the number 3 go see number 4. Then you dey go there. Now you dey go work that money for these 4 people. So now the thing that way you go there, they work to the be nice stressful because they go give you a walkway. It go feel for take care for 4 of you now. So one man they work for 4 people. So if you want to go out, look for a better connection. You did when they talk to me this speaking, they know they go. We more be sincere. Work there for this country. Or she don't fear they do waiting. Well, if you work, look a small girl work for some small girl was said the other day. Acting say, "Who's the work? Je travaille quelque part on te paye come vend me." You pay that picking 20,000 for 1 month. Why that kind picking no go see free passport, see free visa? It decide for say they go Kuwait. May them make things they be good too for our country, so that we're picking they no go they go out. So that they go get work for our country, look for something for do, and they start work. I don't know some man go even take picking it work for you. They pay you 20,000. It don't know man. How you they think?
You get someone they say they don't well. I get a case for person where they teach. They say me teach some person, then they pay 5,000 per month.
Now that not demonic. Now which? Now which? Now all these things that they do, you see what small sisters and small brothers and they run out of there. For man like me, I they don't go outside. I already know what they do. I know what I feel do for get my own small chop where I chop with my family. They way.
But me and you go agree say any person will enter a place like Douala. He want make him, he go make him true.
Yes, because for Douala, anything, maybe you come from a place, you see my store, and maybe just pastor, and they do business. If you can't Douala, you lazy. Laziness go swallow you. If you
start check different things.
Yes, you start to check different things. You see some young girls that they come out southwest, where me I know come up by men that they talk so because me I be Anglophone for Anglophone, sorry, Cameroon Anglophone side. So they make and when they don't come here, they come here. Their sister go tell them they come, their brother will tell them they come. Immediately they come Douala. They tell them so you will work for this man, or they pay you 40,000. They go for there, try, you need the worker. Finally, one see you don't enter a road. I know like 3. I don't even preach or so what. So to struggle, say bring it right inside the house of God. After some time, Sister Kalu can say, House of God need people. Who they take care for you? Even still one sister or they give you chop. Take care for some small things, and Sister Lu can say, no, that life, they give money. And finally, some of them at the end they'll carry sickness.
All right. You don't talk plenty on top this palaver fall bush, but the last talk for them I say waiting. See me they go or me they look.
No, the last talk we I want talk now say when you want go, no agree any man way they give you free passport. No agree any man way tell you say bring small money, I will make you passport. Some person there the way you go work for you. If you want go, find a person where you know say it connect you. Just that means you that person directly. Them not why you go there before they go take you. You the find place where you go work. But if you not get that kind of connection, please, she don't even for Cameroon. Better if you work that 20,000 work. It better.
Have bread.
Have bread is better than full makara. Because it's big now.
All right. So we go left Palava for 4 bush, and we don't learn plenty lesson on top this Palava. You want go as we been bezon talk find roads where clear, where you know go so far, we know go do some kind of thing the way you know like for do am. Now so we go talk another Palava. We left chapter for 4 bush. We talk this Palava motorway Ibi Chakara, so for that side, so for Bengilam. Now for place where they call them say Barrier Ahalam, according to Toru be enter for EM. This motor it be come up for that side for Bengilam, it be get for the go now for East region for Betwa side. Now for this side where the motor it tire a box. Then one time come the people motor it Chakara, so for that side where you say one person be die for inside that accident where be passed for side where they call them say carry for place where they call them say waiting Ahala Barrier where the motor come up for Benguela, the same motor it tire box and motor it be the carrying a gas on top his skin for go for East region. One person will die according to it over here. It go be now for a careless for Sika say take telephone. If you want make video for them now for the one of the gas bottle them too. It come out in Naki Sote it die now. Bembes we sabi say now another accident this, but you check say the motor say it gets some complaint. You sabi find say they say na motor it tire box, and when motor it tire box, motor with the carry gas as sabi say normal. before you want come out, go for long, some kind of long waka. If so far as you need the workout speed, you get for look your motor before you come out. They get accident. So this happen.
Yeah, Ambassador, you know, say when they talk of accident, whether motor they new or they old, tire na something they happen, it explode. So I don't know whether the motor may be in a good condition. But one thing I want to thank God now say, this thing it happen for place where people know they. If it be happen, just imagine. Sorry, enough it happen. No need to pray. It happen for inside town, like place where they right now for Douala here. Just imagine how many people have lost their life. Then I will tell you how good God is. So one just thank God say no person except the one person where they say this country. Accident going to happen. Even if you want to take a picture, you not go stand far away. You must go near and before you take picture. Where you see die for your front so. Now that one will not go blame say God may be protecting. God give you the chance, but you not apply wisdom. You go stand because you want to take complete image. The man will take the one way give you now what this and so. It should say they at the start in French will make people don't start the far away. If they far before you take that image. But the man will want show like unclessness but we thank God say it don't happen for place where people they just imagine. Just wait till it happen. And if you have for play Ben Sikin there plenty. As it takes you go take Ben Sikin them now petrol don't start all place.
Just stand up for junction.
Now for junction, now you are the talk. Now you will say more just thank God say God really intervene for that issue. And the motor the man don't lost the motor. The only thing we did say na company you don't lose. Then they go pay that damn say insurance go pay.
All right, that one I just more no take and more talk say small, but now one of the accident then that will be happen for inside we could make plenty talk. Now another Toro will go talk on top before vote for getting Nkunkuma results. It come up for Monday. Sabi say one of the people then too will be turn up for inside this vote for getting Nkunkuma. It be then a combi for Bembes. Yes, they calling Prophet Franklin Afan24. He says he be turn up for this thing and he be make his own press conference. He meet up with the Tory people them for Tory people then how he be feel after vote, and he talks everything. He if then an ambassador for peace, and he talk for people them for where they count votes. Say may they do the work with Pacha, he know they for inside, and he talks say so far as way Pacha no go be for inside. Anyhow the result go come out, he go take but he talk for Cameroon. The strong message we send for Cameroon people them now say when the result go come out. Make no person, make mash or a carry vex, he enter for vote. He say he then an ambassador for inside Cameroon and he been ambassador for peace. Well, he say plenty of the other candidates them where they be stand up for this chapter from Nkunkuma. Then say they don't talk. He be there one of the last people them for talk for a big office for that side so for Bonaberry. Now Bembes, he be then one of the surprise people them for inside this chapter for getting Nkunkuma. He don't finish do now. He say he be ambassador for peace, and he the one can say make people then so they work for give you results. Then to they do away Pachano the day. How you hear the talk where he come out for talk?
Yeah, Prophet Franklin is sorry, me I talk for PG. Prophet Franklin is a very great guy. I want just have to thank God for his courage where he take him, because it take a courageous person for do it way do. You see, this talking way with the same for social media, prophet no get for be politician no get for be prophet. Please, all those things, we get for leave those things. Make we see the history where this great man. Sorry, since when this election something start, me I never see, we never talk, not even for phone. But I like a courage. I support a courage because it don't open the eyes of many. So no matter how people they try for condemn me at the same say it don't make them. The government of Cameroon don't know say no. The church also know they silent. Number two, his name don't enter into the history of Cameroon as a first man of God, where he ever give his name for become a president for this country. And number two, that even in 200 years time to come, if Jesus no come, they go still talk about Prophet Franklin for this country. Anytime a child of God or any man of God go wake up say one be president, his name will be mentioned. So I want to thank God for your courage and continue to. You are really an ambassador for peace. God bless you, sir. God bless you.
Now, so you want talk say Prophet Frank, he be enter for the Palava job because he want make history.
No, not before make history. I know who say one go say if he talk say God tell you say it go be whether God tell you or God not tell you. Me I dey see na courage.
Okay.
So that's why they talk say I thank God for your courage. Because I know say want to go now ambassador. You want bring down a different talk and say, oh God be tell God if God be tell you I be there. Now you and God they be talk. But wait till I want thank him and say I thank God for a courage. It's not a sin and it's not a bad thing. We get so many people then for the Bible where they be work with the government. Yeah, some of them were governor like Daniel. Daniel was a governor. Joshua, and you know if you work in a government where they into politics, more be sincere. Joseph in the Bible, if he be a prime minister in Egypt, you agree with me? Say prime minister means after the president, that is government, and if you be for government where they into politics. Politics is not a sin. It depends on how you play the game.
Okay.
That is it. Some people say it's a some people talk saying a dirty game, but now they go make a maybe a good game. Now people they get the fear of God. So I want just encourage our brother say don't give up. When God talks say you go be president, enough it only means when God become Apostle Paul say you go be a great man. It be not only for that time, it never be immediately. So if it be after 7 years, if it be after 14 years, but man of God I go encourage you continue unto what the Lord told you manifest.
All right, them. So
no be them. Ambassador. If you say them, it means different thing.
Okay. Advice.
Yes. Now my brother.
Frank,
yes. I just advise my brother.
Yes. You know why hear them. So all them.
So what are people that condemn you? They not condemn you. Any man of God say we go stand to condemn him. Now a foolish man of God.
Okay.
Yes. Now a foolish man of God. That means you don't know nothing. Would the prayer say make the righteous a control country? Maybe that thing like for Bible say if the righteous rule, the people will be okay. Then now how you believe say the righteous they go rule when they not pass through election? Well, I don't understand these people. Them they say no man of God. If God will tell you, God for just carry put the president. Now jet plane. I beg more my brother. Right on.
All right. So since we already start with a palaver for inside politics, we go finish with politics. We talk Constitutional Council now. Now the first time for inside Cameroon history, say Constitutional Council says is she done for here complain them for people them where it is so they be get plenty complain them. Sabi say Maurice Kamto it be one of the people them where it be get plenty complain them and the one big complaint be then I say waiting say make the council vote from Kunkuma way happen for 7 region them for he say plenty pacha be pass for that side but Sabi say inside the Tori way happen for 2 days. Oga Clement Tanganawe be head boy for inside Constitutional Council. He says he talks everything. Maurice Kamto he no be get no proof or no nothing for show say this so this thing may happen. So they throw away all the complaint them where Maurice Kamto be bring them for inside dirty place. Sabi say normal they be then sote 18 complaint them where Constitutional Council be get them and Sabi say inside the 18 complaint them Beten Kisop na persuade for Kondengi Ngata. He too he send his own complaint say he dey so make the council vote and even another person na Reverend Rigobert he says wetin happen he too send his own complaint but Sabi say the council order complaint them put them for one side then na Maurice Kamto own way they be really she done on top for long and even the one for Joshua Osi too way they be she done on top but Sabi say on top Joshua Osi own Constitutional Council put the talk say the thing it be make sense but he no be get no proof so na for day two way they carry all the thing they throw for one side 18 complaint they take now around 3 days for look inside all the complaint them last results it be common now only for Thursday or Friday for early morning time so now the first time where Cameroon people themselves they did she done for see the kind of thing will happen someone them they ask question whether the thing will Constitutional Council do even as when Maurice come to people them and also Joshua a lawyer them they come up plenty prove them Constitutional Council be so say no you know be get any true inside the they talk plenty people they now they ask na question whether Constitutional Council will come if they can make na semi democracy go for before or if they can spoil democracy for Cameroon now Bembes you say you be Cameroonian you be person for inside town you be she done for your own place you look as well it in the past big question what people they ask them democracy for Constitutional Council if they go for before or na say they make it get some small question on top.
Ambassador when they be start this thing when I be saying for TV I really asked her whether I'm alive. They say I'm alive. I followed them for almost, I think, 3 days. The number 4 day, they finish them for morning time. I think that's what it is. Yeah. Our government are very wonderful government. And I like the wisdom where they use them for here, because for me, I call and say wisdom. This wisdom now for just prepare the people their mind. Many people know say yes, Cameroon is a democracy country, a country where they practice democracy, where it be good. And if the one really complete that wisdom where they are applying for here, they not for just get for kick out all those, it makes sense. That means that lawyers they can't waste their time. That's it. It shows it tomorrow. If they call another group means something the way they want to talk, and they know they get for mind say, as they be through the other way, almost 80 lawyers they talk. That means the other one will bring over here, they will see through them. For me, on as I just believe saying another strategy where the government just bring her in for make me the world know that Cameroon is a country of it be a democratic country, a country where they practice democracy. But some of the things the way these people they be talk, we be see some facts, mostly like one of Osi Joshua. It be very clear. The Mango Boli just talk say, no more be sincere. Sorry, I know say this country don't be the one way you talk, they catch you. Me I talk. True. Me, I be from Southwest. Me, I be from Southwest. Yeah, me, I be from Southwest. Precisely, my father is from Northwest. My mother is from Southwest. Yeah, precisely for my village. People they know the day. But they say Southwest 50-something thousand people they vote. And Northwest 30-something thousand. More be sincere. Me, I just sorry in our own brothers the way they're the Kiwi. Okay. I just sorry in our own brothers the way they're the Kiwi. Right. We love this country, but for this country for go forward, please, we will always put truth. And again for our party way Clement Atanga. Anything where they bring her up is a not cancel. They just back and for corner. Yeah. Then me I don't know what the need of that constitutional council for them. Because wasting time. Now wasting. If you look and very well.
Now for spend government money for nothing.
Now just no, maybe for that, not for government. Right. But for me, it be like wasting of time.
All right. So now so we finish Tori for this afternoon. Sabi say for Monday, 11 o'clock, they will give the name for the Nkukuma we go look at Cameroon for another 7 years. I want to say big thank you, Ben Bess, for your time.
Yeah, also thank you where you call me for the program. And I want to greet everybody where they watch we. Please, tomorrow, Believers Outreach Ministry Forever will invite you worship with us at 9:30.
All right.
God bless you.
Okay, country people, them Tori don't finish for the afternoon. 8:30 for morning time Sunday. If you come back for Lukam, if you know before for Lukam, thank you plenty Zephyrin, thank you plenty Malis, even Nadingwa for thank you, Farem Bunya, thank you too. We go meet up now. Let's Monday for some time on a whole. I'm tight for outside.
Thank you.